Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are encountering the error message, this item is not available in your country or region. It simply means that the app you are trying to install is not officially supported in your location, even though it works perfectly and seamlessly in other countries. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the most efficient and straightforward method to install apps that are restricted no matter where you live. Make sure you watch carefully and avoid skipping any steps to achieve the best possible results. Before we begin, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest tutorials and technological insights. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, I'm trying to install the PayPal app, but it doesn't appear in the Play Store because it's not officially available in my country. Let's resolve this issue. Open the Google Play Store, search for USA VPN if the app is also not available in USA. So try other country proxies. Once installed, open the app and connect to a US server. When it's connected, open the Google app. Tap your profile icon. Select Switch Accounts. Then scroll down and choose Add another account. Tap Create Account and set up a new personal Google account. After creating your account, close the Google app completely. Next, hold down the Play Store icon and tap App Info. You can also access this through Settings, then Apps, and then Play Store. Inside App Info, tap Force Stop. Then go to Storage, tap Clear Cache, and then Clear Data. Don't worry, this will not delete your installed apps. Reopen the Play Store. Tap your profile icon and switch to the new account you created. Tap Accept to continue. Now search for the app you wanted to install. As you can see, I am now able to install PayPal without any regional restriction. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.